Hello and welcome. We're continuing with our study on Organic Chemistry 2, where we're looking at the reactions of aldehydes and ketones with nucleophiles, and we use Nu for nucleophiles. Sometimes you see it being used as Nu or Nu minus. It's because it has a negative charge or it has electron pair. A neutral nucleophile will be written as NuH, showing the electron pair. An example of a ketone is this, where you have an alkyl group on this position and another alkyl group on the other position. In this case, that's a CH3. And then you have a carbonyl in the middle. While an aldehyde will still have an alkyl group just as a ketone and a carbonyl in the middle, but on this side, instead of an alkyl group, you have a hydrogen. So that makes an aldehyde. They both react the same way. With nucleophiles, you end up adding the nucleophile to the carbonyl position, carbonyl carbon position, and therefore you end up with a nucleophile at that position, while this double bond becomes an alcohol. Always, aldehydes and ketones will react with nucleophiles to give an alcohol with the nucleophile added. Same thing with an aldehyde, it becomes an alcohol with the nucleophile added. So these are under basic conditions. So under basic conditions, you have a negative charge on the nucleophile. While under acidic or neutral conditions, the nucleophile has a proton, has a hydrogen, that one there, and it has electron pair. An example of that would be water, so HOH. The oxygen has two electron pairs, so that will be a nucleophile, and what you end up doing is you end up adding the HO and you lose that proton. So in this case, you lose that proton and you just end up adding the nucleophile. So the product, similar to what we saw, will be an alcohol with a nucleophile. And here I'm using Y to stand for, if Y is R, then that's a ketone. If Y is H, then that's an aldehyde. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this presentation, please support the channel by subscribing and also by liking the video.